All right, so you guys requested it, so now I'm gonna make it. This first video I'm gonna do about the goat is going to be how to set up the goat for leg extensions, or at least how do I set up the goat for leg extensions. You're gonna need a incline bench, or a bench that will incline of some sort. You can get creative with a flat bench. I use 2 of the Alpha rollers and a loading pin. Of course, you will also need to have any sort of adjustable nuts you need in order to attach these. If you don't have quick adjustable nuts, you'll just have to use normal ones. All right, so the first step to this is going to be to put the bench in the down position. What I like to do is take it right up alongside the rack so that the roller is actually on the foot. That way it's as close as it can get. And then I raise it up to the 15-degree height. What this is gonna give you is a really good idea of how high you'll need the goat. Now the goat hinge, which is this bolt right here, needs to be approximately in the center of your kneecap. In order to get that, we're gonna have to turn the goat around, put a leg roller in at the same angle that this is gonna be at, and just kind of see that height. Again, you wanna put this in so that it's literally just above the height of the bench. Give it a quick test to make sure it's where you want it. That's about right. And that's gonna show you about where your height is going to be for the goat. And again, what you wanna do is make sure you get this hinge approximately at that height. The nice part about the goat is that you don't have to put the actual pin in until after you actually have it set up. So as you can see, putting it right here, it's exactly in line with my knee, which is gonna make it so that the roller doesn't roll up and down your shin as you're doing this movement. It's gonna remain the same length as your leg throughout the entirety of the movement. All right, the next step is going to be putting this leg roller on the actual goat attachment itself. You want it to sit where your ankle meets the foot. So what you can do is kind of get it in there, and as you can see, this one's a little bit low, so I'll probably come up one more so that it's at that nice, perfect height to allow a nice range of motion. Once you have all your heights adjusted, you can put your adjustable nuts on and then put your weight pin in. Now for me, I like to put the weight pin on the bottom one if I can do it. It allows the greatest amount of load to be felt by the weight that you actually put on the unit. And then of course, if you have a top pin in, remove the top pin so that it can rotate freely throughout the entire range of motion. Now, if you want to get fancy with it, you could put like a handle in, if that's something that you think you want to do. Just something to grab onto. I'm going to do it today. I'm using the Mutant Metals dip attachment handle, and just something nice there. And as you can see, this is a very nice setup for being able to do leg extensions using an adjustable bench, the goat, and some accessories.
So that's it for this goat instructional video. If you like this video, hit the like, comment down below, tell me what other things you want to see me set up with the goat. Until then, remember, keep your training better, awesome, and of course, badass. I'll see you next time.